Hey friend, David here with David's Cane Machines and the original Tubo Biz. And so many of you have been asking me, David, can you share us your fusion secrets using the Mighty Mini Cane Machine? So today, in my new outfit, I'm introducing to you guys Mighty Mini Kitchen. I'm going to teach you how to make all kinds of fusion drinks. Drinks to entertain your friends at your parties at home using the Mighty Mini, and for business, making recipes that you guys will have absolute winners, increasing your bottom line, increasing your popularity, all using the Mighty Mini Cane Machine. Coming up soon, okay friends? Subscribe, hit the bell, and tune in, because within a couple of days you're going to see amazing recipes and healthy things that you can add to your sugarcane juice to make Mighty Mini kitchen grade sugarcane drinks. Coming soon from David's Cane Machine Select. And also coming soon, friends, I will be giving you the lowdown, the review on China-made sugarcane machines, Indian-made sugarcane machines, Vietnam-made sugarcane machines, and the differences, all of them, if they are satisfying to the vendors, if they are not. And this is coming soon, a comparison of different manufacturers of sugarcane machines, coming here on David's Cane Machines. Thank you very much, friends.